Rob Welch.
All right, let's get it lined up. Starting order is going to be Robin 1, Mikey 2, John 3, Josh 4, Vinny in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need one more turn marshal out here. We're still missing one of our guys from short course. Can we get one more volunteer out here? Who are we missing from short course? I know. Oh, we're waiting on. Are you marshalling for Eric? Are we waiting on Eric? We're waiting on Eric. Okay, you gonna marshal for Eric? We need you out in that little triangle in the middle. Or somebody in the triangle. Yeah, there we go. Okay, fine. Works for me. All right, marshals ready, drivers ready. We're gonna get Rob going on the tone. The rest of you want to call your name. Mikey, John, Josh, and Vinny.
First, second, fourth.
All right, everybody get a couple laps in here.
First. Third.
Whew. Overshooting that table.
Fourth. Fifth. Second. 4 minutes left.
All right, we got one down, 4 to go. Running order right now is Rob out in front, John in the number 2 spot.
4.
Michael Material 3, Josh in 4, Vinny 5.
First.
Ooh, Rob throwing down the fastest lap of the ball so far with a 13.25. Never a truck he's never driven until now.
Fourth. Third. Fifth. First.
Oh, we got somebody on their lid getting caught up on some pipe.
Second.
That is your leader, number 2 coming up behind you. Vinny, we got it.
Fourth.
Option, and we're good.
Fifth. Third.
2 down, 3 to go. Rob's pace right now, 18 on a 5:14. Time to beat 17 on a 5:07. Rob moving right along.
3 minutes left. Fourth. Third. Fifth. First. Second.
All right, we are halfway. 2:30 down, 2:30 to go, 2:30 down, 2:30 to go.
Fourth. First. Second.
Lincoln, I got a super fast lap there, I'm not sure how, but
Fifth.
Michael Material actually hanging on to the fast lap, 17.16. Rob turned down 17.187.
Second. Fourth.
And we are 3 down, 2 to go. 3 down, 2 to go. Rob's pace still on an 18 lap pace. 18 on a 5:15.
2 minutes left. Second. Fourth.
Ooh, Rob throwing down a 16.9.
First.
This pace 18 on a 5:13, picking it up even.
Third. Second.
We are 3:30 down, 1:30 to go, 3:30 down, 1:30 to go.
First.
Oh, Rob bobbles a little bit. Wait.
Second.
Go. Oh, Josh getting hung.
First.
Josh pulling over. Not sure what happened there. And we are just over a minute left of the master clock.
Third. 1 minute left. First. Fourth.
And 45 seconds to go. 45 seconds to go. Running over to Rob, Mikey, John, Josh, Jimmy. Rob's pace 18 out of 5:14.
First.
Rob's still hanging on to that fast
Fourth.
one with a 16.6.
Second. Third. First.
15 seconds to go. Rob's slowing down a little bit. 18 out of 5:15.
Second. Third. First.
That is the master clock to be done when I call your name. Keep driving. Everybody keep running.
Second. Third.
Mikey, you're done. John, you're done. Rob,
First.
you're done. Two, Josh, finish.
Fourth.
And Jimmy.